Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope all of you are preparing for unit test. So today we will continue the chapter LibreOffice Writer. Yesterday I had told you that how will you do the page break, column break, and how will you delete the page break, then how will you delete, hide and show the white spaces, character formatting, all these things we have done yesterday. So it will be better कि all of you do practice it at your home, okay, in your computer, so then it will be easy for you to understand, okay. And if you are getting any problem, then you ask me in comment box. I will reply you and I will show you in practical also, okay. Then I can understand कि what you have a problem. Okay, so today's session, let's start. Today we will do that inserting the page, inserting the image, and how will you insert the uh, objects, charts. So these things we will see. So let's start the practical. So these things we have done yesterday, that character formatting, that is font size, color, strike through, then bold, italic, underline, okay, superscript, subscript, all these things we have seen yesterday, okay. So today we will see the next, how to insert image or picture in your document, okay. So for that, first you have to insert, how will you insert the image? First you open a document where you want to insert the image. Now place the cursor on the area where you want to insert the image. So suppose I want to insert the image over here, okay. Then just click over here and then go to the click this insert tab, okay. There you can see picture, okay. So it will insert the picture from image, from your from file. Suppose there are images in your file, then you can insert here from the file. But if you want to insert the clip art, means images which are inside the computer in clip art, that you can do through the insert tab and then clip art, okay. So just for that, click on clip art. Any one you can do, and remember that in LibreOffice Writer you will click on the insert tab where you will get the image option. So click on that image option, then your image dialog box will open, okay. So there you will get, when you will click on the image, the image dialog box will open, and there you will get the different type of pictures, okay. That images, pictures, clip art, all these things you will get here. So I am showing here, this is because MS Microsoft Word. So clip art, I am clicking here, and there you can go the side, whatever you want to insert. If you want to see all these things, then you just click star, okay, or selected collection, if then all you have to click, okay. And then it's computer, so all collections I am clicking. All media files are here, and then press the enter key. So this is because computer search for, so you just write down here star, then it will show you all the pictures, what the pictures are in your computer, okay. Here you can see organized clips, clip art, and Office Online also you can insert the picture. Now here any picture you can insert from here, okay. So which one you want, you just click over there. Suppose this one, so just click over there, or you can click on this arrow and then insert. Okay, so anything you can do. So the picture will be inserted in your document. So this is the way how will you insert the picture in your document. Okay, now suppose I am right clicking. Now here is given edit picture, change picture, then insert caption, format picture. So you can, if you want to format the picture or image, then you just click over there, format picture. Okay, so just I am clicking here, format picture. So you can here line color, line style, shadow, whatever you want you can do here. 3D format, so in which format you want, you just click over there. Okay, top, this is bottom, also you can select. Color if you want, then also you can do. Okay, so this is contour color, then material, all these things you can do, and then click on close. So that will be affected here. Similarly 3D rotation, picture, you can see here the picture colors. So in this way it will appear. This is the black and white. Then suppose this thing you can do, that is by default. Okay, so whatever you want you can select from here. Okay, so this is the way how will you format your picture. Text box, if you want to insert the text box, then also you can do. Okay, shadow, line style, line color, fill, solid fill if you will do, then which color you want. Suppose this color, so you can see that border color, you can see that is yellow color. Wait, I will show you. You just see over here, then you can see I am changing this to blue color. So you can see this blue color is changed. So that thing you can do, formatting. Okay, again you see, just right click, format picture, then you can do picture, 3D, line style, fill. So which one you want, you just click that, gradient fill, no fill. Okay, so whatever you want you can do from here. So this is the way how will you insert the picture and how will you format and your picture according to your requirement. Okay, now how will you insert the chart? Let us see. Here suppose now to click on the insert, then chart. So where you will click here, which type of chart you want, that is column chart, line chart, pie chart, whatever you want, you just select from here and then click on OK. So the chart will insert here. This thing. Okay, so chart is here. Now you can see here the category, series 1, 2, 3, all these things you can see. So in this way you can insert the chart. So which chart you want, pie chart, line chart, column chart, bar chart, which chart you want, you just select from here. So the chart will insert it. Okay, next thing, how will you text wrapping you will do. So for that I am closing it, or just you go from here, page, this is home picture, insert. Okay, here you can see the how will you page insert, table insert, clip art, header, footer. So these things you can insert. So wrapping text, page layout, column you have seen, page break, there you can see text wrapping. Okay, or if you want to do the image wrapping, then first you have to select the image. Okay, right click on it, and then you will get the wrap option, text wrapping. In LibreOffice, simply it will be written here wrap instead of text wrapping. There you can get this wrap option. So just click over here, and there you will pop-up menu, you will get it. So wrap through, then top and bottom, in front of text, behind text, so wrap off. Okay, so all these things you will get here in LibreOffice. You will get different pop-up options in pop-up menu, like wrap off, page wrap, optimal page wrap, wrap left, wrap right, wrap through. So these things you will get. Now suppose behind text, if you want to do, that means for front you can get the text, and then image will come to the behind, will go to the behind. And if you will do behind in front of text, then text will go behind and you can see the image. So these are the different text wrapping. Okay, wrap through, like, so you can see the image is wrapped through, it has gone. Actually it is wrapped through. So again I am showing you, if you will right click, text wrapping, in front of text. So in front of text you can see here. Okay, so this is the way. If you will do behind the text, just you see behind the text it has gone. Okay, so in this way you will get the image text wrapping. So these are the different options. This is a square, it will come in a square. Then tight, it's in tight. So there are different options are there. So whatever you want you can do from here. So inserting image, inserting chart, and text wrapping, these three things I have told you, you do the practice at your home. Okay, and if you are getting any problem in this, then you please ask me in the comment box in Wasum app. Okay, so I will clear your doubt then. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.